Shondo, this one is for you to send to your son. Shondo, I'm at the Railway Museum, and these are antique parts from the electric train that used to run here in Buenos Aires. He would probably get a kick out of some of these really old things, old electrical devices. I don't even understand what I'm looking at here, but this one, called a rectifier, is a vacuum tube bulb. That is the biggest damn thing I've ever seen. Look at the size of this thing. 800 volts. So anyway, I thought your son would enjoy that.